If you've watched my last video, you'll know I've started a new business doing roof cleaning, and in that video we looked at the business plan and why you needed to write one and what was involved with it. In this video I'm going to be looking at logos, branding and how I'm going to be advertising the business. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the logo. So I've come up with a logo. Elijah, who works with me, has given me a bit of help with it. He designed it. And what I've done is I've gone for something that's similar to my existing work logo, so I can run it alongside my own business, because it is still going to be run under the same business for tax reasons, but for this project I'm going to be running it as a separate business. So if it succeeds, then I can keep it as different enough from my old design that I can have it completely separate, but it's also close enough that if it doesn't work out, or if I just want to incorporate it into my existing business, then I can it's close enough that I can just do that. They're not too far apart, but still just far enough to make it different. Next we come to the website. Now I think in any business these days you've got to have a big web presence. When I started my window cleaning business, or when myself and my wife started our window cleaning business, we did a lot of canvassing door to door. Well, roof cleaning is something completely different. I don't think you could sell it going door to door, so you do need a big web presence, and this is where the sponsor for today's videos come in. I've gone with a husband and wife team called KSM Web Design. I'll leave links to those in the description below. Now, I wasn't going to do a sponsored video. I don't normally do sponsored videos, and I rang them up to tell them that I wasn't going to do it. But once I started talking to them, I actually really liked them. They're a nice couple, really easy to talk to. Now, Kyle also does window cleaning, so as a web designer, he knows exactly what you're going to need in the cleaning industry, so he's the perfect person to do your web design. They're a husband and wife team, and they're based in the UK, so I'll leave all their details in the description below. Give them a ring and ask them about designing a website for you, and you might be pleasantly surprised what they come up with and how much how little it actually costs to have it designed. So let's have a quick look at the website. So this is the website they've come up with. They've got the Squeaky Clean Roofs logo up there. It's linked to my Facebook page, and the title here talks about the area that I'm in, why clean your roofs, the results that you can get from cleaning roofs, and really nice website that works ever so well. It works on desktop and it works on mobile. Works really well with both of them. It talks about how we clean and the methods that we use. It talks about me, what I've done in the past and why people should choose me, and it also looks at some of the other services I offer. And we've got a gallery showing some of the jobs. I have actually already done a job, so I've got pictures from this, but yeah, so once I get more pictures, they say it's really easy, just drop them over to them and they will put them up there for me. So it's a totally managed website, but really nice, and I think it looks really good. That's the website. I think it's absolutely essential in this day and age. Now, to find the website, I was planning on using a Google My Business page. Now, unfortunately, Google won't let you have two separate businesses running from the same address and the same phone number. I did try and do it so I was going from a service area rather than an address, but it's still the same phone number, and I wasn't going to buy another phone just to run the roof cleaning. So unfortunately, I haven't got a dedicated Google My Business page, but I have got it on my Squeaky Clean Windows page, so I'll be able to run it from there and bring them in together, which is unfortunate, but that's just one of Google's laws. So the next thing I came up with was a dedicated Facebook page. I started up a page so I've got 3 pages now. I've got the Squeaky Clean Windows page, I've got the Squeaky Clean Dave page, which I use for my videos, and I've now got Squeaky Clean Roofs as well. So the way I'm planning on advertising Squeaky Clean Roofs is running ads on local groups. These are the free groups that you don't have to pay to join. As long as you don't swamp them and have them all the time, they do tend to let you put them on, but you do just have to check with their terms and conditions. Not all of them will let you put services on, but quite a few of them will. And I've already run a little campaign on a couple of local groups, and I've already picked up 2 jobs from those already, so that is working. So for the Facebook local ads, I've produced a little video, and this is what it looks like. So when I actually clean roofs, I have made up some flyers. I just got them done at Vistaprint, and what I was planning on doing, I wasn't planning on blanket dropping those around everywhere, because I think most places flyers just go in the bin. So what I'm going to do, I've had about 500 made, but then when I clean a roof in a street, especially the houses opposite that have seen me doing it, they've seen the results of it, especially after over time, I'm going to give every house in that street a flyer, and then a couple of months later I'm going to flyer them again when they see the actual results from the buyer side. So that's where I'm going to use flyers. The last type of advertising I'm going to do, well, it's not so much advertising, but the last way I'm going to pick up work is through a lead generation app. Now, I'm not going to say what it is because I don't want everybody jumping on it, but there's a lead generation app. You put in the description of what sort of work you do, you buy credits, and then you pay with the credits for each lead that they give to you. Now, the app gives a maximum of 5 people that job. It only puts it out to 5 people maximum, but it also tells you how many people have already gone for it. So I've been watching it for quite a while now, and for roof cleaning in my area, there's normally only 1 person goes for it, occasionally 2. So I've still got a 1 in 2 chance, 1 in 3 chance of getting that lead and winning that lead. So we'll give that a go as well. So if you make sure you keep watching the channel, I will let you know how the lead generation app goes. I will let you know how the Facebook campaign goes, and I will let you know how the website goes. So once again, don't forget to give KSM website design a call. If you're looking for a website, like I said, they're a really nice couple, and they'll really help you out, do a great job for you, and do exactly what you need. So in the next episode, I'm going to be having a look at the tools I've got for roof scraping before I actually do a job. And then in episode number 4, I'm going to be going on my first roof cleaning job and see how I actually get on with it. So if you're not already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and then you'll see every time I release a video. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.